closer.
Hi guys, welcome to ukeguide. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself in this lockdown. Now today we are covering a very popular song. The song is Walk With Me by Taba Chake. I know आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे रिक्वेस्ट किया था that I should come up with a detailed lesson on this song. So today is the day I'm gonna discuss each and everything about this song, about different sections and how you can play it effectively. Now before we move on, please make sure that you hit like and subscribe to ukeguide so I can continue bringing more amazing lessons for you. So now if you're all set, take out your uke, tune it in standard tune, and let's start with the lesson. सो गाइस, सबसे पहले बात करते हैं कॉर्ड्स की। और इस सॉन्ग को प्ले करने के लिए आपको चाहिए 3 आसान से कॉर्ड्स, और वो कॉर्ड्स हैं कॉर्ड F, कॉर्ड C एंड कॉर्ड B फ्लैट। Now to play chord F, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord F should sound like this. To play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string, and chord C should sound like this. To play chord B flat, you need to place your index finger as a bar on 1st fret like this. You need to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 4th string, and chord B flat should sound like this. Now guys, in case you are not comfortable with bar positions like this, then you can also play B flat with a trick. So you have to place individual fingers on 3 different strings like this. So it would look like the position of chord E minor, okay, like we play chord E minor here. So we just moving this position up. That way you can also play chord B flat, but you just need to be sure that you are not touching string 1, okay, you don't have to touch it. So only play top 3 strings like this. तो गाइज, अब बात करते हैं स्ट्रमिंग पैटर्न की, एंड आई वांट टू एडमिट दैट दिस सॉन्ग इज़ रिलेटिवली डिफ़िकल्ट, सो आई वांट यू टू पे स्पेशल अटेंशन इन दिस सेक्शन, क्योंकि मैं आपको सिखाने वाला हूँ एवरीथिंग इन डिटेल, बट अगर आप विद पेशेंस ईच एंड एवरीथिंग ध्यान से देखोगे तो आप इसको जल्दी पिकअप कर पाओगे. Okay, so let's now try to understand how you can play the actual pattern and how then you can utilize this pattern with the chords. So let us first understand how you can play the pattern. Okay, so this will be the main pattern, the base pattern of this song. So it would look like this. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. ओके, सो इस पैटर्न को अपने दिमाग में बैठा लेना है, क्योंकि हम इसको यूज़ करने वाले हैं रिपीटेटिवली डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में. ओके, तो अब मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि आप कैसे इस पैटर्न को यूज़ करेंगे ऑन डिफरेंट कॉर्ड्स. तो टू प्ले दिस पैटर्न आपको क्या करना है, कॉर्ड F को होल्ड कीजिए लाइक दिस. सो होल्ड कॉर्ड F लाइक दिस, एंड देन यू हैव टू यूज योर रिंग फिंगर on 3rd fret 1st string, okay, like position of chord C. So at the same time you are holding chord F and chord C together. Okay, so what you have to do, you play a single stroke on this position and then you remove your ring finger. So basically you are removing chord C. Okay, so you are removing your ring finger and then you have to play the other 3 strokes of our pattern. Okay, so we played down with ring finger and down, down, up without ring finger. Okay, that's what you have to do with chord F. Now after that you play chord C. Okay, so you play chord C, you hold the position and then you play the first downstroke like this, and then you have to remove your ring finger, and this will make your uke in open position. Okay, so all 4 strings will be in open position, so just play the other 3 strokes in open position like this. Alright, now once you're done with this, you again move back to chord F and with the ring finger position like this, and you play the same thing. And then you move to chord C again. Alright, so it's very easy. So you just need to repeat it again and again. Okay, so when you club everything together, it would look like this. So guys, to play this song, I'm using a capo and placing it on 2nd fret. Okay, so I'm now showing you how this position and the strum pattern would look like when you play it with capo. Okay, so again you do the same thing, you hold chord F, so the position will change now. You are using a capo and your position will start from 3rd fret. So guys, this is the main pattern what we will be following throughout the song. Now apart from this, we will also be using chord B flat. So when you play chord B flat, you have to play our pattern 4 times. Okay, so you don't have to put any other fingers, you just hold the position of chord B flat and you start playing the pattern. Okay, and when you play chord C separately, you have to play our pattern 4 times again. So guys, I'm sure you understood all instructions well, and now it's time for the song play part. So let's play this song and see everything in real action. 1, 2, 3, go. Hello dear, you will pull me closer. Let's write about you and me. I'll sing you a lullaby. Let's make a story of our own. We walk everywhere hand in hand, walking this path of life, like life has been taking us. Together we walk this road. beautiful eyes and smile, it's making my heart so fast. Make me love you more. Wanna love you till my end. Darling, promise me you will stay until the very end. No matter what comes in, together we'll stay strong. तो गाइज आई एम श्योर आपको ये लेसन पसंद आया होगा. इसी तरह से और लेसन्स देखने के लिए प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब यूकी गाइड. प्लीज़ मेक श्योर यू लाइक माई लेसन्स बिकॉज दैट इज़ द ओनली वे आई कैन कम अप इन द सर्च रिजल्ट्स and I can keep on bringing more amazing lessons for you. So until next time, do take care and bye bye.